My Personal Guide, the customized worldwide usable communication tool as app and as website for private persons and small business. You want a secure digital communication platform for your family members, friends, colleagues, and acquaintances. You want to organize a celebration or a party and impress your relatives and guests with various information before and after the party. You are organizing a trip or an event and want to provide the participants with appropriate documentation. You have a small business and would like to maintain a direct digital contact with your customers and additionally attract new customers. You organize private lessons and would like to communicate with your students via a digital platform. You are in charge of a group of people with shared interests and need a digital communication tool. Scope of services: generation of your personal individual app, automatic creation of your own website, can work offline. Many applications combined in a single app. Easy integration of your existing data, pictures, and videos in My Personal Guide back office system. Closed user group. Push messages. Extensive chat functions within the user groups. No storage of chat data on a server. Encrypted data storage only on the devices of the chat participants. Possibility to generate sub-apps to your app. Offline navigation system. Various services with one click. Integration of comprehensive My Guide City destination guides. No unwanted advertisements. Runs on My Personal Guide servers. Easy to share content with friends. No sharing of user data for commercial use. Free of charge. My Personal Guide